Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, rear view camera, power seat, dual, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.